सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome to our channel DG Video. Today we'll learn how to create a landing page develop in HTML and CSS. In previous session we learned how to design a landing page design using SD and Photoshop. But today we learn how to develop a landing page using HTML5 and CSS. So here we go. We first make a folder. A name is landing page. So inside the landing page I put an image. This is DGBG1. So after make a folder, then I go to my Visual Studio Code. So here I create a new file and save this file and name it index.html and my folder is landing page. So here I save this file, name index, then I save this file in my folder. So here I press exclamation mark and then press enter. So today we are going to learn how to develop a landing page using HTML and CSS. So right now I am writing the HTML code here. So inside body I make a inside body tag, I make a div tag and my class name is wrapper and I close this tag. I make another div and I define class is my nav. Nav stands for navigation and I close the div. Inside the nav I make a div class, name it logo. Inside logo I declare my logo as DG Vidya. Right, and then I declare another div and name it menu, and inside the menu I am using UL. UL stands for honorary list and I am going to use list menu. In list menu I am going to use a hyperlink. Right, I just copy paste, Ctrl C copy. I need 5 menu for that. So on first menu I hit home, about, blog, contact, and last one is login. Right, and go to file and I just save this. So now I am going to my landing page. So I want to see how my structure is built. So I double click on index. So here is my structure, HTML structure. DG Vidya is my logo and these are LI, these are list menu. So after making the structure, then I go to make CSS. So here I create a new file and save this file and name it style.css inside the landing page. Then I save this file. Right, now what I do, I just want to link this CSS file into my HTML file. So here I go to my HTML file and after title I just enter and I want to link this file. So for link, so I write link and relation is style sheet. So link is style sheet and hyperlink is style.css. So here I link this file, I go to file and save this file. Then I come back to my CSS tag. So in CSS tag I declare HTML body and my margin 0 padding 0, width 100%. And after HTML body, next body width 100%, height 100 vertical height. After height, I just want to put a background image, so my background URL is DigiVidya. I just save it and refresh. Look, my image is coming in my browser. Then I want to write background position, center. I don't want to repeat my background, so no repeat. And my background size is cover my browser, so I write here my background size is cover and display table. And I declare font family here. My font family is sans serif, right? And this time I am using, okay. Now I save this and go to my browser, and look, my font family is changed and my image is a full cover, basically fit with my browser. After I styling my body, then I want to style my nav key. So my class name is nav, so I declare here dot nav. Nav position will be fix, top position 0, left is also 0, margin will also 0, padding is also 0, and width 100%, height somehow 80 pixel, yeah, 80 pixel is good. And border bottom, I need a border bottom 1 pixel solid orange. Okay, I complete my nav. So here I save this file. Okay, here is my border. Then I define my logo. So logo is a class, so I define dot logo, and my logo is DigiVidya. This is my logo, so I define DigiVidya now. Letter spacing 2 pixel, and my text color is orange. My logo will be float left, and font size, I declare the font size to 20 pixel, something like that. Font size 20 pixel, right? And then I define font weight bold. I need my logo bold logo, and line height 80 pixel, and padding will be 0 and 6 here, right? Now I save my CSS, and look, my DigiVidya is come here with this color, and the spacing between character is 2 pixel, right? Now I want to styling my menu like home, about. This is in li ulli, so I came back to my, then I declare a class name is menu, so I dot menu. I mean my menu will be float right, because my logo is float left. And line height will be 50 pixels, and margin will be 0 and 6. Okay, just save this file, and I will show you my browser. So here it's a right, and spacing between 50 pixels line height. Right, after I define my menu, then I just define my menu UL on our list, display inline block. So what is basically, so I just click here, arrange inline, and after UL, menu UL li. After styling my menu, I just want to style my menu UL. So menu UL, so menu UL list type, I list style and none. So I save this file. Look at the dots, the dot are omitted right now. So after menu UL, so I just styling menu UL and li. I need display inline block. So when I write this inline block, I just save this, then go to my browser, look, inline block. So after menu UL li, after that I want to styling my A menu, my link menu. So here I go to menu UL li A, color. I want to put some darker color. Okay, I apply a green color here. My text color will be green, and text decoration none. Font size will be 16 pixels, and padding 0 and 20 pixel. So I just save this, then go to my browser, look this underline, and the color will be changed, right, and space between each link 20 pixels. Then after ULLIA, so I want to make the last one means login form. I want to make this a button, so I need a border here basically for login. UL li, this is NCS child 5 because this is my 5th button, and A. My text color is orange, border 1 pixel, solid orange. Then padding will be 10 pixel, top and left, right, and I need my border radius 5 pixel. Okay, I just save this and go back to my browser and refresh it, and look, I make my login button here, right, it's easy. Then after styling my menu, I want to put some header, my body, inside my body. So what I do, I just on the my Visual Code and came back to index, and here I declare another div tag, and my div class is header, and inside the div class, inside the class header, I just want a h1 stands for header 1. I just write down learn free. This is my header, and I take the paragraph, and here I write down fine, and after paragraph I need a button here. So I need a button, and type I need a button, class button, and here I learn now. I just save it, and here my browser is, refresh my browser, and look, learn free and propose tiers, and my button is here. I want to this header and this paragraph in center of my browser. So what I do, I just go back to CSS style sheet. So here I want to style my header. So header is a class, so I define dot header, position absolute, position will be absolute, top 50%, left also 50%. It means it will be in center. And transform is my translate, minus 50% minus 50%, and my text align in center, right? Now I save this file and go back to browser and just look, it's coming in center, right? So now I want to style my header font bold. So here I declare my class dot header, and inside header I have h1. Yes, h1 is there, and I need h1 color. My color will be orange. Font size 20 pixel, and font weight maybe bolder, right? This is my h1. So after define h1, so I have a h1p header, h1p. The paragraph one is purpose to teach. My purpose to teach color will be like this, and font size I need 20 pixel. My font size will be okay, and then font weight is lighter, right? So I save this and go back to my browser and just click here and look, and now I want to increase my font size. So font size is 20 here in h1, I declare here 50 here, and font weight is bolder. So I just save this and came back to my browser. Now look, okay. Now I want to style my button. Then I go back to Visual Code. So here I want to define my header buttons. So header buttons, my font color of the button is I need a white like snow color, and background color is orange, and padding 18 pixel and 40 pixel, right? And border, I don't need border, so my border is none, and font size will be 15 pixel, I think smaller than my paragraph, and margin top is 40 pixel. It becomes in center. So I save it and go back to my browser. So guys, if you like this landing page development, so please subscribe our channel and feel free to like and share with your friends. So this is the easy way and easy steps to make a landing page development using HTML and CSS. Thanks for watching our videos.